Hi, in this video, I'm going to give you an introduction into the options module in Quotestream. So I'm using the default created options chain workspace. As you can see, it's highlighted blue in the top right, and this just has the options module in it. Now, there you could also click float and go to options. You could certainly do that and open the window that way. You can add it to another workspace as well, as I've shown in previous videos. For example, we have this main one here, which may have been used for demos, but you can just add it anywhere. That has a little white arrow, little triangle upside down, and you can just switch from whichever module you're in to options, such as I've done here. Options is grayed out. That's because it's chosen here. So let's go to the options chain one, a nice big screen to take a look at and talk about and learn about the options module. So it's pretty straightforward in the sense that first things first, when we're looking at the options chain, you have the calls on the left. Let's see, it says calls, and the puts on the right. If you just want to look at calls, you can use this little side arrows here with the strike column, which is right in the middle and separates, right? We have on the left, we could look at the 150 call for Microsoft, and to the right, the 150 put. But you can use these little arrows. And now I'm looking at just the calls. Bring it back. And again. And now I'm looking at just the puts. From here, we have many columns available. And I'm going to go through those in detail. First, I'd like to just get through to make sure you're looking at the right expiration date and symbol. So for one, we've got the symbol here in the top left. You'd be able to change it to whichever one you wanted. There are some other options available too. If you right click on either the left side for the call and right side for the put, you'll have a drop down. So this will show you the symbology and the symbol for this specific contract. We are looking at right now 1790 December monthly contract for Amazon. And so if we right click it, excuse me, we have Amazon, we have the year, we have the month, we have the date, whether it's a call or put, C or P, and then 1790. So that's the full option symbol call. You can click this and copy the symbol so it would be saved in your clipboard, and then you could right click and paste it anywhere you wanted, or you could use Control V, which is also paste, or the equivalent on a Mac. And then you can quickly set an alert here. So if I were to go to alerts, I can add an alert based on this specific contract. I can bring up the company research. So if I really quickly want to get to a chart or the historical module or time and sales, I could just right click, go to company research. I also have the ability to bring up the advanced charting and a quote on this. So if you bring up quote, it's going to open up this window. Got some information that you might want. You can, take a look at that. We go to advanced charting. It's going to open up the advanced charting, which I discuss in the charting video. You can see the history of it, of this specific contract. Looks like the call has been going down. And we can bring up the chart, historical, and time and sales. So if you want to look at so I'll open up the company research, and so we have it so that you can quickly launch to a few of the options that would be relevant for an options contract, such as the chart, the historical data, and the time and sales.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel to see more of our tutorial videos.